Can we go back a little bit? I want to know about that thing with Tim with the eye, man. I saw
that video I said. So I got a lot of good shit like that free in my phone, man.
That was this past week?
No, I just sent it out this past week. That was a couple years ago. That was about, that was about 4 or 5 years ago, wasn't it, Fred?
I thought that was recent.
When Tim walked around this eye all swollen. Steve-O!
Yeah.
When
he said goddamn he had infection in his motherfucker. I told that looked like a fish print, man.
What look like, Steve-O? DJ, stop.
I think I remember when you put that out.
Right. I had that other type of carport out here, and the storm took that one away. You remember that?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, Rick was. We was out here working, me, him, and Daryl. And also, you will find all day long.
He popped up.
Home.
Yeah.
And come back the next morning. You come back. Damn, I got something in my eye. Nigga, you had a infection in your eye. Nigga, you tell them 2 damn wrong stories. So nigga look like a. Let me see. I told let me see. Nigga look like a fish print, man.
Stop, DJ. Stop. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a Dodge Charger RT. Pretty ass car. Belong to my man Ricky. Ricky Tiki Taki. It's got a 456 code on it, guys. This got the 5.7 Hemi in it. I want to say 2015.
Yep.
And what we're changing out is right here, okay? It feeds it back into the intake. Back around on the back side. From the factory, they sell these 2 different ways. I made them buy the whole line without, taking this seal down. Because, once you take seals down, I almost always have a problem with it. Okay? So, 456, 2015, Dodge Charger, Hemi, pretty car, man. All right, this is what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna have to go get a few things to knock it off, but I'm gonna lay it right there. That's one sensor. That's one more. But it's got one of them go to hell clamps. That was just a bracket. So I'm about to go in the shop and grab that. And this one here up at the top. It wasn't sucking right there. That thing tight. So hold on, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. What I like to use on something like this is this little small hook pick. Because you got a clamp down here on the side, and that mob is something to get out of there. I never had no luck with coming all the way out without breaking. They always do. Oh man, get it started. What I tell you? Don't worry about that, Ricky. They always do that. They always do that. They might have set one in that bag, I don't know. Okay. Another piece down there. Like that. Okay. That goes in there just like that. Just like that, guys. It always does that. I told you guys, I gave you a fair warning. They always break because they're so brittle for being in there so long. So don't panic on that. Okay? And just slide that up right there. Probably was a little stopped up there, Ricky. Right here got some carbon up in there. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Look at that. Let's stick some down there, see if we can clean some of that out. Just something I do, you know. Take it, push that all the way down like that. Have a tight seal then. Come up here. When it come to this, I just go ahead and push that on just like that. Remember them two pieces I was telling you about? I slide my first one back down in there. And I slide my other one. Just like that. I put my clamp. Oh, my bad, I'm going the wrong way. This little thing got an indentation on it. Right there, as you can see right there. And it won't go but one way. So I'll come down like that. See that? Works just fine. So don't go panicking, because those things gonna break. Make sure I got my connections in. And voila. There you go. This is the old one. There's a part number for you. Right there. 97-3AB. That's a Chrysler part. Factory. It was time for it to go. Okay? So, how to replace an Evap solenoid. Engine code PO456. 2015 Dodge Charger with the Hemi. The video was helpful. Give me a thumbs up. One of them shares. Till next time.